HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids! Today we are drawing a glitter fish. Start with an oval shape. Now draw his eyes and a cute smile. Time to draw the fins. Yes, just like that. Move on to the tail. And finish off with the scales. Good job! Let's paint! Glittery yellow for the fish's face. Be careful with the eyes. Pink for his lips. For the fins, let's use this majestic, sparkling purple color. Sparkling red for the scales. Time for some glittery yellow. Beautiful! How about some sparkly blue now? Yes! Amazing! Let's paint with a shiny orange. Paint the remaining scales with green. Use this gorgeous sparkling pink for the tail. We're almost done. There you go! Swim along with our glitter fish. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hey kids! Whoa! This is a bubble tea. Let's draw it. Begin with a semicircle. The ears, eyes, a nose and a cute smile. We are drawing a cute panda lid. A straw popping out of the cute panda face. Then the see-through cup. Add some waves there. And finally, the tapioca bubbles. Let's thicken those borders. Keep going. Time to paint. Let's start with sparkling red for the straw. and glittery pink for the ears. Use this silver shiny white for Panda's face. Sparkling black for Panda's eyes. Red for the nose and tongue. Some pink. Bright and shiny yellow for the lid. We will start with icy cool blue for the first layer. Woo! Bubbling already! Berry purple for the second layer. Matcha green for the third layer. Bright and shiny yellow. And lastly, strawberry pink for the final layer. Looks so appetizing already. Use shiny brown for our tapioca bubbles. Here is our colorful bubble tea. Wanna sip some? See you next time. Bye-bye.